That's a beautiful day outside. And it's a great day to start working on this clay. I've got to lower my sculpting stand a little bit so I can work on some parts I can't reach right now. And so what I'm doing is taking care of things under her face that need to be worked on. It's hard to get to, and I got to adjust my light so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm trying not to hit the camera with my hat and my magnifiers. And now I got to watch out hitting the light. I put an earring on her. Actually, an ear disc. But I gotta fill in behind it. Or else they can't cast it. Just little tiny pieces of clay at a time until it fills the hole. There we go. Okay, I gotta do her arm. The hand can't just be sitting there, gotta have an arm attached to it. Now she has a sleeve on. I'm redefining the bottom edge of the folded over part of the cape, or the coat, or the robe, I mean. I don't think I'm going to have as much of a wind effect as I thought I would. I don't know. I'm just going to make the best design that I can. her arm would have an effect on the blanket. This is an old potato smasher I got from an antique store. Works beautiful. Alright, I'm about to run out of battery power. And it's getting late in the afternoon. I'll have to pick this up tomorrow. I think what I'll do is I'll try to get that arm holding the feather, this one here, get that done. Make the feather out of Super Sculpting. And maybe do the hand out of Super Sculpting. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think it's coming out okay. I still got a lot of detail to do and try to put some more detail in the robe and stuff like that. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.